Yeah man, peace and light man. From you hear the voice man, you know see a knowledge of the true virgin man. The great motivational speaker, the GO.A.T, and also the herbalist, self-acclaimed. Nobody not tell me. We choose ourselves so we become the chosen one. Alright, so today, my people, Jamaicans, me have a liquid chlorophyll for you. See the video below. Yeah man, if you watch a video, yeah, me do the video there already. And for persons overseas, me have it in the capsule format. Yeah man, chlorophyll. And me don't give you benefits already. But guess what? Me have a new type of chlorophyll. This is not real chlorophyll. It's an immunizer. I do this for your immune system. You don't really have an immune system, you know. You have a lymph node. Your lymph node is what control the disease-causing agent that comes in and outside of the body. We are talking about virus, fungus, bacteria. Well, this has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial properties in there. This infusion of honey and 26 herbs can keep your immune system afloat and balanced, where you don't suffer from any cough, any congestion, any what they call it, bronchitis, or you know that mucus in the head is called what? Pneumonia? No, sinus. Mucus in the lungs, pneumonia, mucus in the joint, arthritis. It's all one disease. Yeah, man-made humans. From milk, cheese, butter, from animals. But anyway, that's not it. This is it. So this is honey infusion in herbs. Very strong and potent. You just take a teaspoon or half per one in the morning, and as you just awoke, and one when you're off to bed. And you swallow. If you feel tingling, sore throat, this will kill any form of virus. Remember, it's a virus that causes cold. You don't know. If you know now, you know. Or if you don't know, you just know. So this is available to my Jamaicans friend because it's liquid. So we cannot send it overseas due to conditions, shipping license, etc. Big belly, paparazzi, government, unfair, don't want us to help you. Yeah, but anyway, it's available here in Jamaica, 4,500 for this jar. It's quite a jar. This will serve you for a while. I'm sure this will serve you over 28 days if you take the right amount. Yeah, so it's available in 14 parishes through Knoxford Express. You just send me a private message and it's there your foot. Yeah man, peace and light. We are here to heal the nation. Remember, money without your purpose does not have any meaning. Knowledgeable, true virgin.